Welcome to Imagine RIT. This project was a senior design project developed by Gabe Arthur, Brandon May, Paul Harrison, Xavier Zayas, and Cullen Straub from RIT's Kate Gleason College of Engineering. The modern world requires increasing energy storage for emerging technologies like electric cars, AI, and renewable energy. Compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries, solid-state batteries offer higher energy storage, faster charging times, and lower flammability by replacing the liquid electrolyte with the solid one. Our team assisted RIT's Clean Energy and Water Lab, whose mission is to advance sustainable energy. Their current goal is to study electrochemomechanics and ion insertion for energy storage. To produce the energy-storing material for these coin cells, powdered electrolyte needs to be compressed at extremely high pressures to solidify this powder into solid disc pellets. Unfortunately, at the beginning of this project, several limitations existed in the CEW laboratory that limited their ability to produce pellets. Our team was able to address these problems through the design of an automation system for the press. By using a servo-driven pump combined with a pressure sensor and control box, our design allows the lab team to enter a desired pressure and get consistent results every time. This system was integrated with the press into a combined system. In addition to the automation, our team acquired a 10mm diameter mold set that allowed us to eject freestanding pellets. Together with the pressure automation, our team's design will help the CEW lab produce consistent, correctly sized pellets that they can put into coin cells for tests that will advance SSBs to widespread use in society. Our team took a lot away from this project, advancing our design, manufacturing, and troubleshooting skills. We would like to thank Dr. Howard Tu and Joseph Vasquez and the CEW lab for their work alongside us to help investigate sustainable energy storages. We would also like to give special thanks to our guide, Professor Carlos Barrios, who mentored us through the entire project, and Professor John Bonzo, who provided helpful manufacturing consultation.